Mumbai University pre-registration 2025 have finally started. Now guys, this video is really important for all the students who are planning to take admission in Mumbai University after 12 or after your TY. Post graduation or graduation के लिए अगर Mumbai University में पढ़ना चाहते हो, be it any course, this form is mandatory. Pre-registration आपको करना पड़ेगा and it has already begun. So in this video, I'll explain the step-by-step process, documentation क्या लगेगी और आपको किस तरीके से ये जो form है वो पूरा fill करना है. Make sure that you watch the video till the end. Hi guys, this is Pooja Gupta. Welcome back to Media Mentor. If you're here on my channel for the first time, I make a lot of informative videos for students, so please do subscribe. Now talking about the official notice जो कि मुंबई यूनिवर्सिटी के वेबसाइट पे आ चुकी है, लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगी. So according to this notice, ऑटोनॉमस, नॉन ऑटोनॉमस, एडेड, अनएडेड, इंजीनियरिंग, मैनेजमेंट, जो भी कोर्स में आप अप्लाई करना चाहते हो विच इज अफिलिएटेड विद मुंबई यूनिवर्सिटी और कम्स अंडर मुंबई यूनिवर्सिटी, आपको ये प्री एनरोलमेंट करना है. प्री एनरोलमेंट शुरू हो गई है 23 अप्रैल से, मतलब कि आज से शुरू हो गए, तो आप अप्लाई करना शुरू कर सकते हो. बट इट्स जस्ट अ प्री एनरोलमेंट फॉर्म. यहाँ पे आप कोर्स, कॉलेज ये सिलेक्ट नहीं कर सकते हो. नाउ लेट्स सी हाउ यू विल फिल द फॉर्म एंड देन आई टेल यू कि डॉक्यूमेंटेशन आपको क्या क्या लगेगी.
Guys, today we are going to look at the pre-enrollment step 1, which is open for University of Mumbai. The website that you have to visit, please take a note, it is mgugadmission.samarth.edu.in. Right, this is the website that you have to visit. Click on new registration. The moment you click on new registration, you will be asked to enter your full details. For demonstration purpose, we will just enter dummy name. We have created the account successfully. Once we create the account successfully, we will have to enter the verification code which is sent to us on our phone as well as on the email ID. So the one that you received on mail will have to be entered here. The OTP. Now we have to verify this with the captcha and submit. So once you submit, you will get this acknowledgement that your account verification has been successful. We need to log in and start the application process. Again, we go to the login ID, we enter the captcha. Please ensure you enter your correct email ID as well as the password. The moment you come here, you will see there are two steps in the process. Step 1 is profile creation. Step 2 is application for the relevant program under University of Mumbai. So you will click on profile. The moment we come on profile, we are asked for the further details such as your gender. We have to select the gender, name in Marathi. This. Here as per your Aadhaar card. Category details. If you belong to any of the specific categories, you have to select this very carefully. Contact email if any. If any, you keep it none. Right? Then there's a certain mandatory thing that you have to select, which is, are you a citizen of India? You have to select yes. Then the region of India from which you belong, the religion from which you belong. Yeah, you have to select your respective religion. You got to enter your place of birth, your country, followed by your state and your district. Family's mother's name. Once you've done that, you can enter your emergency contact number. You can select the combined family income of both the parents. Yeah, both the parents has to be entered very carefully. Now, if you belong to any other category quota, this is a question or this is a section wherein you have to be filling the details very carefully. Alright, first and foremost, if you have any of the sports quota, select yes or no accordingly. If you are part of the cultural activities and if you have a certificate, click those properly. If you are a member or the dependent of a freedom fighter, click this. Similarly, ex-servicemen, J&K students, armed forces personnel. If you select them, then there is categories of priority 1 to 9 which you will have to select. And if you're a Kashmiri migrant, you have to select the applicability. Yeah? So these are the criteria that you have to select. We'll just select them one by one. So the moment you selected this, you will be prompted to enter your further address. Select your address, select your state. Same process. You have to enter the city, you have to enter the district, and the process is done. You have to save and next. Now, as you can see, we have completed the profile details here. We need to complete 3 more details: ABC ID, uploads, other details, and preview and submit. Right? In case there is any updation that you need to do in the detail that you see in front of you, you have to update the details. If everything is correct, you have to click on proceed to next. Next thing is you have to link or create your ABC or APAR ID. Alright. Pretty simple. It's a DigiLocker integrated login. You have to log into your respective DigiLocker ID and then provide your respective Aadhaar card. So once you log into a DigiLocker account, you will get the further details. So as you can see, once your details match, you will be able to proceed ahead. So you have to click complete your profile. You can move to the next step. Select the correct answers. So you have to select the respective options that you see. Select the proficiency as per the languages. And once you've done doing that, you can save and next. Proceed. So whatever options you select in the previous screen with respect to any quota, with respect to any certifications, you have to support that with a proof, guys. Alright, this needs to be supported by a proof. To ensure that you are selecting the valid documents. Okay, only legitimate documents have to be submitted. Right now, for the demonstration purpose, we are only uploading the sample template. It's for the registration purpose. Once you have uploaded the photos and the respective documents, you have to click on next, review the form, verify the complete status, and then you have to click on submit and log. You have to click the information and click on submit and log. So once you've done that, you will get your registration number. This is your registration number. The details have been submitted and logged. Now, what is to be done is select the program. So whenever the programs open up, you can log into the portal and select the respective program. So as of now that you can see, the programs have not opened up. Once they open up, there is a note that there are no programs open for selection. Once they open up as per the schedule, you can get the programs in the drop down, select the programs and register yourself for the programs. Thank you.
So as you saw the process, we need ABC ID जो कि मैंडेटरी है. मैंने काफी पहले आपको बता दिया था कि ABC ID बना लेना, और अभी तक भी नहीं बनाया तो डिजीलॉकर लिंक करके बना लो. मैंने पूरा प्रोसेस में वीडियो बनाया है कि ABC ID कैसे बनानी है, तो डू दैट. एंड सेकेंडली, आपको अपना बेसिक डॉक्यूमेंट लगेगा, आधार लगेगा, आपका फोन नंबर वर्किंग होना चाहिए और आधार से लिंक्ड होना चाहिए, एंड योर वर्किंग ईमेल आईडी. अब ये 2 से 3 चीजों में बिल्कुल भी मिस्टेक मत करना, बिकॉज सारे इंपॉर्टेंट इन्फॉर्मेशन और OTPs आपको आपके फोन नंबर पे ही आएंगे और email address पे आएंगे. Guys, if you're confused or stuck, we do offer admission hand holding, and if you want my team to assist you with admission process, you can connect us on this WhatsApp number. My team will share all the details with you how it works. So they will do your registration process, and once the university form opens up after the result, they will do that process also for you. Also guys, make sure that आपका फोटो और सिग्नेचर ब्लर नहीं होना चाहिए, सही अपलोड करो so that आगे प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी. I hope guys the video was informative. Share this video with all your friends who are planning to take admission in Mumbai University, because pre-enrollment शुरू हो गया तो आप करके रख सकते हो. It will remain open. ऐसा नहीं है कि कुछ भी क्लोज होगा. So you don't have to panic कि अरे यार अगर छूट जाएगा क्या, बंद हो जाएगा, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. आराम से आप कर सकते हो. एंड लेटर ऑन आपके रिजल्ट्स आने के बाद कॉलेजेस और कोर्सेज के ऑप्शन ओपन हो जाएंगे. ओके, सो गाइस, शेयर दिस वीडियो एंड yes, stay tuned to Media Mentor for all such important updates on admission 2025.